In this video, I will talk about how do we know whether a group of people in history was civilized. Basically, the idea is to use the features of civilizations listed in page 29 of your textbook and compare it with the group of people to see if there's any evidence of civilization from those group of people. The 5 features of civilization that we need to find is number 1, living in cities. So people must live in cities. And then second, the invention of writing system. Number 3, religion. And number 4, commerce and trading. And number 5, government system. So if we can see these features from the same group of people, then we can say that they are a group of civilized people. Especially important is the first 2 criteria, which is compulsory for a group of people to be considered civilized. In this next part of the video, I will demonstrate how we prove whether a group of people is civilized using the features listed in page 29 of your textbook. So again, the 5 features are living in cities, invention of writing system, religion, commerce and trading, and government system. So I will prove to you that these 5 features can be found in ancient Egypt. For example, in terms of living in cities, there's Memphis, the capital city of ancient Egypt. This shows that people in ancient Egypt lived in cities, such as Memphis. That's why it fulfilled the first important criteria to be considered civilized. As for writing system, there's the hieroglyphs, which were used for writing and reading in ancient Egypt. Number 3, religion. There are several proofs of religion in ancient Egypt. For example, the making of mummies, judgment of Osiris, which is about weighing the weight of your heart towards the Father to determine if you are sinful or not. And the third evidence is that there's a lot of patron gods in ancient Egypt, which is another proof that there's religion in ancient Egypt. As for commerce and trading, we know that they are trading along Red Sea, as well as Mediterranean Sea. Besides trading along Red Sea and Mediterranean Sea, there's also trading within ancient Egypt. For example, farming and raising animals for exchange of goods within ancient Egypt, using coins for pottery, jewelry, milk, and so on. As for government system, there's social class system and rule by pharaoh, as well as the presence of nobles to help pharaohs rule over ancient Egypt, and each class has their own function. From this, we know that there's a clear government system and a specific way the society works in ancient Egypt. For example, the ministers, priests, and scribes all had different functions in the government system. From the examples, we can know that ancient Egypt was civilized because of the presence of different features of civilizations we can see from different evidence in ancient Egypt. That's why we know that the ancient Egyptians were civilized. This is the end of this video. Thank you for watching.